How to go to Alcatraz Island. Well, I'm going to show you how to visit Alcatraz Island in San Francisco. So here's the breakdown. Book your tickets in advance. The only official ferry provider is Alcatraz City Cruises. It used to be called Alcatraz Cruises. Now, the tickets often sell out weeks in advance, especially for night tours and summer. So book early on their website. Ticket includes a round-trip ferry ride plus an island entry. You can't go without a ticketed ferry, so this is the way to go. Now, the departure point. The ferries leave from Pier 33 on Alcatraz Island on the Embarcadero. I think I said that wrong, but you get the drift. In San Francisco. Easy to reach by walking from Fisherman's Wharf, by Muni, the streetcar F line, or by ride share such as Uber, which I'm doing right here, or taxi. Now, it's important that you arrive at least 30 minutes before departure. Now, the ferry ride takes about 12 to 15 minutes each way. You'll have great views of the bay, Golden Gate Bridge, and the San Francisco skyline. Now, once on the island, once you're there, you can explore at your own pace. The main attractions are the Cell House Audio Tour, which is an award-winning narrated by former guards and prisoners, the prison cells, the dining hall, and exercise yard. There are historic buildings such as the Warden's House, guard towers, and more. There's even nature trails and gardens. Time on the island is flexible. Return ferries run throughout the day. Now, some of the tour options are, you have your day tours, which is the most popular of the 2 to 3 hour tours. It's about 2 to 3 hours recommended to do the day tour. The night tours, they have smaller groups and it's a spookier atmosphere and extra programs that are included. Now, there's a behind the scenes tour, which has extended hours or extended tours with ranger guides. And there's also combination tours, sometimes packaged with Angel Island. Now, things that you should bring on this trip to Alcatraz Island is some comfortable walking shoes. There's steep uphill walks to the cell house, so keep that in mind. You'll also want to bring a jacket. San Francisco Bay is windy and chilly, even in the summer. And you can see right here, it was windy and happened to be raining, so come prepared. You also want to bring water and snacks because there are limited of options on the island. Food is not allowed inside the prison buildings. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.